If you're getting this error here saying this experience is unavailable due to your account settings, or if you're using the Roblox app, you may just have that green bar with like a circle and a line through it, then I'll show you how you can fix it. Firstly, what you'll need to do is just come to roblox.com just like I am now. Then what you'll need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on the gear or cog icon like this and go into your settings. And once you're in your settings, then what you'll need to do is go over to the left hand side and you'll need to go and tap on privacy just like this. Then once you're in privacy, there are a few different settings we can go and change to go and make sure that we can go and play these games and stop that error occurring. The first one being scroll down to account restrictions, and what you'll need to do is go and disable account restrictions. As you can see at the moment they're enabled, so go and tap on this switch here, and as you can see we've now gone and successfully disabled it. Another fix you need to try is go over to the left hand side as well and also go down to parental controls. Now, if you've got a pin enabled, then what you'll need to do is go and enter it and then come down to allowed experiences and make sure all ages and suitable for everyone is selected. If you've got a setting like 9+, then that is going to block certain games. So if, for example, I tried to select that there, I'd need to go and add a pin, but yeah, just make sure all ages is selected and that should go and fix the problem. And quickly, I want to go and finish up that first setting we changed. So come back to privacy like so. When you went and disabled account restrictions, as you can see here, it says additionally, communication settings will be set to off. So therefore we need to go and enable this again. So you can set that to custom and choose which settings you want. Personally, I like it to be set to everyone and friends, but you can go and set them to however you like. As you can see, I can now go and play the game. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing. Peace.